Welcome to Wemo Light Switch 3-Way. This product can replace your 3-way and single-pole switches. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install your new Wemo Light Switch to replace a single-pole switch. First, the basics. Neutral wires and a strong Wi-Fi signal are required to install your light switch. Keep your mobile device with the Wemo app close by during the installation. You'll need a Phillips and standard screwdriver, pliers, a voltage tester, and everything in the Wemo Light Switch box. Okay, now you're ready to make your home a little smarter. To begin, shut off the power to the approximate circuit breaker or breakers. Remove the existing faceplate from your current switch and use a voltage tester to check both sides of the switch, then pull it out, leaving the wires. Find the neutral wires. These are usually white and required for installation. Test the neutral wire to make sure there is no power from a neighboring circuit. You might want to take a picture of the wires in case you have to reinstall the original switch sometime, and note that sometimes the colors may vary. First, you need to detach the line load wire from the switch. This is usually black. Use the sticker to label it. Next, detach the traveler wires. Normally, these are black from the existing switch. Then detach the ground wire. Normally, these are green or bare copper. And lastly, remove the wire nuts from the neutral wires, the white ones again. Now you can install a smarter switch. Remove the faceplate from your Wemo light switch and use a wire nut to connect the black line load wire from the switch to the labeled line load wire in the wall. Then, use a wire nut to connect the blue traveler wire from the light switch to the load wire, usually black, in the wall, and then use another wire to cap off the red traveler wire on the light switch. Next, use a wire nut to connect the white neutral wire from the light switch to the neutral wires in the wall. Finally, use a wire nut to connect the green wire from the switch to the bare copper or green ground wire in the wall. Tug on each wire to make sure all the wire nuts are secure, and carefully tuck wires behind the light switch. Screw the light switch into the wall and snap on the faceplate. Turn the power back on. The Wemo light switch should blink white during startup, then blue when ready for setup. Now, you can open the Wemo app to finish the setup.